Why do vehicles only have four wheels but trucks have many? Come along as we take a quick look into the realm of vehicle design and solve the puzzle of this wheel-centric differentiation. Is the multi-wheel mania all about aesthetics, or is there another reason behind it? Ensuring the safe carriage of a heavy 60-ton load on a semi-truck requires more than just adding extra wheels. By choosing an 804 axle arrangement over a 4x2 setup, we not only distribute the weight more evenly, but we also reduce road wear and tear, minimize potential damage, and, ultimately, improve safety. Different countries and regions have different regulations governing the maximum weight that a single axle or group of axles can support. Astute trucking companies profit more since a vehicle can carry more freight at a weight it can support. By adhering to these guidelines, businesses may optimize the efficiency and performance of their trucks. A tandem axle that is allowed to weigh a staggering 34,000 pounds in America is one example. This explains why most semi-trucks have tandems, the stealthy device for boosting payload capacity and optimizing financial outcomes. More contact points with the pavement are provided by numerous axles, which transform highway ramps and abrupt curves into a precision ballet. Improved stability ensures truck drivers and other road warriors' safety by reducing heart-stopping rollovers and nerve-wracking jackknifes. Those extra wheels work like magic, providing improved stability and traction, reducing the chance of rollover, and preventing extreme leaning. The worst part is that overweight axles impair handling capacity, underscoring the crucial part that every wheel plays in the safety orchestra of trucking. These multi-axle marvels distribute weight wisely so they can tow heavy loads without sacrificing road integrity or safety. Additional axles widen the base, lessening the strain on specific parts and lessening the effect on our infrastructure. A semi-truck, on the other hand, has several axles, which are essential for improving stopping power. The many axles help spread the truck's braking force, which shortens the distance needed to stop this enormous vehicle. A truck with a single axle in the back could have trouble applying the brakes, putting drivers at danger of terrifying situations like locked wheels and terrifying skids. Now compare that to the sophistication of a multi-axle system. More axles equal more brakes applying pressure, which reduces the possibility of skidding and improves driver control. It's important to retain constant stability throughout those critical braking moments rather than merely coming to a sudden stop. Imagine it as a harmonious arrangement of axles collaborating to guarantee the security of the driver, the load, and every other motorist on the road. A semi-truck's weight is evenly distributed over several axles, lowering the ground pressure considerably. This isn't just a peculiarity of design, it's an essential component that protects our roadways, particularly the ones that aren't meant to support heavy loads. Concentrated weight on a single axle might cause significant harm to roadways that weren't designed for the major leagues. This is where having numerous axles works its magic to spread the weight and avoid possible traffic accidents. This is especially important for projects like bridge crossings, where careful weight distribution can prevent structural disasters without drawing attention to itself. Having additional axles up its sleeve not only helps the truck reduce road pressure, but also improves traction and grip, making both on-road and off-road excursions more enjoyable. If only a few tires had to support the majority of the weight, the undesirable outcome would be rapid wear and tear. However, here is where having several axles works its magic. These trucks make sure that each tire carries a more manageable load, reducing early wear and tear, by dispersing the weight effectively across several axles. It resembles an efficient symphony performed on asphalt. As you can see, tires that are subjected to large loads produce heat. This heat can be disastrous for the materials in the tire, causing premature failures. Each tire produces far less heat when the load is distributed over multiple axles. What was the outcome? Reduced operating costs, less downtime, and better tier maintenance for transportation businesses. Did you now understood sustainability and long-term efficiency are more important than wheel count? The complex dance of load capacity, road stability, and weight distribution reveals an amazing feat of engineering creativity. The next time you see a truck with enormous wheels, keep in mind that these heavy-duty vehicles are kept in motion by a harmonious balance rather than just quantity.